Hello, the festive season is here. Well, actually, all the festivals that are related with the lights, for example, bonfire night, Indian festival which is Diwali, Hanukkah, and so on. Now, when it comes to Indians, a lot of their festivals are related or associated with food, particularly the sweets, and these are called mithai in Punjabi or mithai. So let's cook one mithai known as Kalakand. Look each similar to the barfi, and hence they associate it sometimes with barfi or even the milk cake, but it's made differently. It's almost like you've had the Yorkshire curd tarts. This is without the pastry. The texture is similar, you get that milky taste, and it is absolutely delicious, soft, bit of crumbliness, moist and juicy. And the biggest factor about Kalakand is you get that grainy texture now and then, and that is what makes Kalakand. It's white in color, cut into the cubes. So easy to make. You get all that taste and the flavors and the aromas coming out of it. My name is Avtaar. Welcome to Avtaars World, and if this is your first time, please do subscribe to our channel. And I hope you're having a lovely day. Kalakand contains solidified milk and sugar. The whey is separated. I've already done how to make paneer recipe on my channel. Please refer to that. In this instance, the paneer is not going to get pressed. Now, paneer is the curds, and in Indian they call it chana as well. So Kalakand has two stages to it. One is separating the whey out of the curds. So I'm taking full fat milk and using 4 pints altogether. 3 pints have gone in here, which is going to get separated, the whey and the curds. And 1 pint I've put it into this pan so that this is going to get reduced. Ensure you keep stirring the milk so that it doesn't burn off at the bottom of the pan. Milk fully boiled, and I tend to use the citric acid. Sprinkle it all around. If you haven't got the citric acid granules, you may want to use fresh lemon juice or even white vinegar. As you can tell, the whey is separated. It's yellowy shade to it. I ended up using 1 teaspoon. So I'm using a bowl to drain the water out. Colander goes in there and a cloth. So I've drained the whey, and then I tend to just open the tap and let this run under the tap while I'm just holding it, so that I want to get rid of any sour taste from my citric acid. After washing, I've squeezed majority of the whey out. Let it sit there, and we'll turn back to our other part of the milk. This is still on the heat and getting reduced. And roughly about 10 to 15 minutes, and continuous stirring. Milk is reduced to roughly half the amount. Going to throw in the sugar, 1 cup. Now the sugar is going to start releasing the moisture, so it becomes more runny, and hence I'm going to add sugar bit by bit. Mix that, stir it in, so it's reducing nicely. In goes 1 teaspoon of ground green cardamom seeds, and now add the paneer or the chana or the whey into the sweetened milk. Turn the heat up so it starts getting solidified. So continuous stirring into the milk, or chana or paneer, the curds, and if you look at it closely now, you can't see any runny milk. All you can see is the bubbles are white, clear, so it's ready to come out. Turn the heat off. I've taken a plate which I've lined it with the ghee. Important, do not use oil, and if you haven't got ghee at home, just use some melted. In it goes into the dish, even it, use some pistachios, press the pista or pistachios into the kalakand. I'm going to place this into the fridge for at least 2 hours for it to set, and then I'll cut it into the little cubes. It's looking beautiful and it's releasing that aroma from the cardamoms. I hope you enjoy making the kalakand at home for this festive season. So happy cooking, do share, like and subscribe. Until the next time, goodbye for now. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.